Hi my dear friends. Today we will know the blockchain's pros and cons. Let's start without time wasting. Pros and cons of blockchain. For all of its complexity, blockchain's potential as a decentralized form of record-keeping is almost without limit. From greater user privacy and heightened security to lower processing fees and fewer errors, blockchain technology may very well see applications beyond those outlined above. But there are also some disadvantages. First, let us discuss pros. Fast point, improved accuracy by removing human involvement in verification. Second point, cost reductions by eliminating third-party verification. Third point, decentralization makes it harder to tamper with. Fourth point, transactions are secure, private, and efficient. Fifth point, transparent technology. Sixth point, provides a banking alternative and a way to secure personal information for citizens of countries with unstable or underdeveloped governments. Now let us discuss cons. First point, significant technology cost associated with mining Bitcoin. Second point, low transactions per second. Third point, history of use in illicit activities, such as on the dark web. Fourth point, regulation varies by jurisdiction and remains uncertain. Fifth point, data storage limitations.